Nongkrim MLA Lambor Malnyang on Tuesday inaugurated the Mawmuthoh Sub-Health Centre at Mawmuthoh village under Mawrenkaneng block in East Khasi Hills in the presence of senior officials of the health department. It may be mentioned that the work for the construction of the building of the Sub-Health Centre was allotted in 2011, while the building was completed in 2012. The commencement of the project was delayed since the health department failed to provide a job to one of the family members of the landowner who donated the land as per the agreement. Speaking on the occasion, Malnyang said that he is very happy to see that the people will finally benefit from this sub-centre.
Jom kikam kiba mayi ni pashat segesnau de lamba kikam kiba mabhai philapha ya banbat yang khulam bakhlain ban pantrikam ban sandur ban yang yigijia kiba kumbusnong kai kando bedde hanoju kikam kapawanra apat ya kajing yajan kawanra ya kajing kawanra kapelong paralok bet kawanra ya kajing shani.
Chief Executive Member of Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council